I believe that you all are aware. Ministry of Home Affairs has given the notification on 19th of May 2025 to detect and deport the illegal migrants from Bangladesh and Myanmar. TSF, since very long, we have demanding this. It is there even in our charter of demand. Since the formation of TSF, this is a demand which we have made for a very long time. But recently, we got to know that Ministry of Home Affairs has notified instructing the state government to detect and deport the illegal migrants from Bangladesh and Myanmar. But till date, we are very much shocked that the government of Tripura has not given any statement in response to the notification given by the Ministry of Home Affairs. And we got to know that this is not the first time that Ministry of Home Affairs from the central government they have notified. Even in August 2017, they have instructed the state government. But even at that time, we got to know that the state government is very silent. We want to ask the government of Tripura, what message do you want to pass to the people of the state? We are getting many input. The illegal migrants from Bangladesh are settling down here in Tripura. Recently in Monu, Gondatesia, we are getting an input. Our divisional leaders and few of the locals, they have filed a complaint at PS, but they are not taking any action. We are very shocked. Today at Monu also we had rally submitting a memorandum to the SDM of Monu, Long Drive Valley. And even this afternoon, we met the DIG of Assam Rifle, Brigadier Manish Rana. We share our grievances, what is our demand, and what are we facing as people of state. So, we TSF has always raised voice for the welfare and good of the society and people. Today, on behalf of the Tripura Student Federation, we appeal the government of Tripura to make a statement that has been notified by the Ministry of Home Affairs regarding the detect and deporting of the illegal migrants from Bangladesh and Myanmar. But in context of Tripura, we are not having a border with Myanmar. So we believe that the illegal migrants from Bangladesh is getting influx in large number. So we want the state government to take this strong action against the illegal migrants. TSF has started our Clean Illegal Migrants movement from today itself. And I would like to appeal all sections of people, all sections of student organization to participate and support against the illegal migrants. We got to see that student organization, social organization, we very much appreciate that you host different kind of program, but it is our duty to even look into this matter. So I will appeal all sorts of people to support this movement. TSF is always ready to raise voice for the people and for the good of the state of Tripura.
सर, देखा गया है जब ये नोटिफिकेशन आया है तो दूसरे जो स्टेट है उन्होंने कार्रवाई किए हैं जहां देखा गया है दिल्ली हो या दूसरे स्टेट पे हो, मगर त्रिपुरा ऐसा स्टेट है जहां गवर्नमेंट इसके ऊपर कोई एक्शन नहीं ले रहा है, तो इसके पीछे क्या रीजन?
अभी हम क्या बोल सकेंगे उसको, लेकिन सी even in Gujarat, as soon as the notification is being passed, many thousands of illegal migrants are being caught and deported. So even we are confused. That's why we are here sitting today, asking the state government, why are they silent? And notification I have seen, even August 8, 2017, Ministry of Home Affairs, they have notified even at that time. Even at that time, there is no statement made by the state government. So, indirectly or directly, this will be affecting the geographical and even the growth of the state of Tripura. Now, if we talk about the Bangladeshi illegal migrants, we cannot say that if there may be different religion, caste, tribe, if they are Bangladeshi, they are Bangladeshi. So, government of Tripura, they should make very clear statement regarding the notification made by the Minister of Home Affairs. We will appeal the Chief Minister and all the leaders of the state sitting at the government official to make a statement, and TSF is always there to help it out. We believe that we have seen few of the migrants and all illegal migrants are being caught. We appreciate it. But there are many places they are settling down, getting documents. If we see that in Tripura, we can get the documents very easily. So I would like to appeal the state government to look into this matter seriously, and TSF is driving out the Clean Illegal Migrants mission. So I want all sections of people to support this movement.
तो इसको लेके आप लोग क्या कोई प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे या ऐसा कुछ डिसीजन आपने लिया?
See, we have started our rally and movement since very long, but we are doing a fresh start. We have started from the Long Drive Valley Divisional Committee, and we met the Assam Rifle DIG also today. And even we have brought the letter to the Home Minister regarding this. And also, we are planning to drive out a clean out mission. And also, we are writing letters to the officials. So when we write, we will disclose whom are we writing. But today we have met the DIG of Assam Rifle, and we are furthermore meeting with the officials, government officials, and we have brought a letter to the Home Minister, and we are hopeful that we are trying to get an appointment with him and discuss in this matter.